All right. I'll be.
Do it.
Yeah, I am. Funny.
Do it. Click.
Yes.
Okay.
Today, while my friend plays while my longtime best friends um now it's been like 5 years since we've met um play blocks fruit. I'll be explaining my plans about involving a graveyard. Now, long story short, my family owns a graveyard because they've owned it for like quite a long time. Now, long story short, my ancestors own the properties that graveyard is built on, so basically we own it. Now, the thing is, I have plans. Now, there are a bunch of disrespectful gangs of kids there who damage graves, and recently they smudged molten candle wax all over my grandmother and grandfather and uncle's tombstones, and as a result of this, I am now very angry. I'm trying my best to hide it, but I'm actually quite enraged. Now, my plans for these kids is simple. Because of the rising amount of technology there, I have like plans. Basically, I have three possible routes for my plans. Now, while you may while you watch my friend play my best friend, oh no, play Roblox on his phone and like show you his blocks through skills because he's actually pretty good in this game, not gonna lie. I'm going to explain my plans for these kids because they need to go one way or another. So one possible method is the use of employment of like tech because long story short, all sorts of high tech equipment can be purchased in TikTok stores or just basically any online stores nowadays, and I could just possibly like use some of these new equipment to make make workforce much better. And basically, since these kids tend to patrol the place and do small tasks for a few pesos or so in the graveyard, I could as easily have them replaced with much more efficient workers that I could trust, and I could have them run out of months. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, before I get to the next phase, I'll just explain the other routes. Now, the second route is simply by employing more friends to work on the graveyard and then have them completely replaced. And then the third is just through violence, which is actually why I actually attempted to contact some of my friends who I've known being capable of crafting weapons so I can completely have them wiped out of the graveyard. I long story short, once again, if you think this crazy, trust me, it it gets kind of irritating when your ancestors' gravestones, the ones who you love so much, for goodness sakes, my grandmother, when she was in the process of dying of cancer, Christmas of 2023, she only cared about buying me a new phone as a gift, rather than the fact that she was literally dying. And the fact that these kids had the actual audacity to smudge or like vandalize graves of people as respectful as that, not to mention the graves of the ancestors of the person, aka me, who will inherit those graveyards once the current owner passes away. It's quite full of them, especially how they know that I'm going to be their future administrator boss. I'm going to be the one ruling over them. I'm going to be the one keeping them I'm going to be the one getting the cash and giving it to their parents and them, and they have the audacity to do that. That's quite irritating now, isn't it?
Yep.
Now, very nice to have a friend who agrees.
Yeah.
Anyways, now on to the next phase. Once they've somehow ended up losing tons of months, my plan is to further go around and convince the local sellers around the area to raise prices. I could pay them to do it. I could introduce some newer options that could and more like high quality options. Once again, I could use some online store technology to like higher the quality of their the food they sell around the area. It just overall just make it more costly. then I could start paying my workers. Sorry, a delusional kid just actually attempted to ruin our video. Anyways, I could just pay the current workers more, which will allow them to live up to these standards. It could heighten their standards and improve their lives, while those kids end up getting having less and less money to the point where at this point they just end up how do I say this? They end up being incapable of affording these luxuries and they'll just have to depend on convenience store crap. Overall, I'm making them more miserable, and that's good revenge for me. That's it for this video. Goodbye. Thank you all.
All right.